please hit the subscribe button, and for more videos and updates, hit the bell icon.
Hi friends, my name is Kavya and today in this video we are going to make these spooky ghost garlands. I've made this pumpkin garland and I have even made this bat garland. You can make a spider, bat, anything. And now at first I'm going to show you all the supplies we'll need to make this ghost garland. So A4 sheet of paper. I'm using white as I'm making a ghost. You can use black to make your bat and orange to make your pumpkins. But the steps will remain the same, only you'll have to draw a little different thing. You can even go ahead and make a spider garland. A marker to draw your ghost. I've even taught how to make ghosts in another video, so you can see that. The link is here and in the description box again. So in that I actually teach to make ghosts like this. So basically back to the marker thing. So a marker. I've even drawn the same expression in that. And lastly scissors. So you'll only need 3 things to make this ghost garland. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, you'll even need a why can't I lift it up? A scale. So firstly, grab your A4 sheet of paper and fold it in 3 equal pieces. So just try to roll it up. First make a roll of it. And then try to align this end with this edge and press it. So with one sheet you can exactly make 3 garlands. Now open and open. Go in with your scale or scissors and cut. You can keep these 2 and make another garland. But for now you'll just need one. Now firstly go in and fold it in this manner. So in half. This will be basically just fold number 1. There are only three folds for step 1. Then fold number 2. And then fold number 3. So this was step 1. Now step 2 is just open and open all the folds. Now you can see. Now go in and fan fold it. That's step number 3. So fan folding is basically alternately folding. One here, one here, one here. So now go in with your, to sketch it out. Can you see the ghosts? Hope you can. Make it a little darker for you. And now clearly see my ghosts. So I'm leaving a little edges on the gap to draw the hand. So the hands will be the main part of the garland. So these will be my hands. So as you can see, I've drawn my ghost, basic ghost here. Go ahead and cut now. You have your fan fold and just start cutting it. And ensure to cut your hand. As I said, without the hands, it won't become a garland. It will become small ghost chits. Now, once you have cutted it out, open now. Open your garland. And wow! Look, it has actually formed into a garland. Now, with your marker, just go in and start drawing your eyes. I like to use this marker as once you draw on one side, it will automatically go on the other side. The ink, it's so bleedy. So if you kept any paper under it, the ink will all go on that paper. Last time while doing it, I kept it on a scale and the whole scale got messy. So first I'll just go in and draw eyes for all the ghosts. Just 2 little dots. So this is a really simple expression which I am going for. But actually, if you're doing a pumpkin or something like that, and if you're like coloring the stem, as I've colored it green, it's fine if it didn't go on the other side. You don't need to go and color it, because the other side, when you like put the garland, the other side will be facing the wall or the door or the cupboard, whatever you'll be putting it on. So that will automatically get covered. Hope it's not messing up my table. Now I'll just go in the center of these two and I'll just start making a bigger circle. You can see. And tada, it even came on the other side. And now you're done. It's that simple. So I have created so many of the gold garlands. I'll need a really big ball to put them all on. So, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. And don't forget, you can always make them in different patterns. No need to always keep on creating a ghost. So, bye and happy Halloween. Boo. Boo, boo, boo. I actually wanted all the ghosts to say boo. But that would take a long time. So, just bye and boo from me. Bye. Happy Halloween again. Bye.